3, 2, 1, release, release, release.
Most of us as human beings are curious. We're curious people.
We are all now living through a historical moment in human history where humans are able to safely leave the planet.
Airliners don't fly without pilots on board. Why would you get on a spaceship to go into space without having a pilot on board?
Just makes it a more human experience.
This is a hand-flown suborbital ballistic spaceplane.
Humans have this innate flexibility to deal with things that haven't been thought of. A hand that can directly relate to how you're feeling, the physical feeling of being in space, and actually the emotional side, which is perhaps the greatest.
Not only are they pilots, they are highly experienced test pilots.
From high-altitude spy planes to high-performance jets to shuttle pilots, we have one of the most talented and experienced group of test pilots in the world.
Space is something that evokes a very human characteristic that leads us to wonder what's beyond.
Space is such an unbelievable, mind-blowing, incredible experience, and we get to share it and experience it together.
Unity, you are MCC, go for release.
3, 2, 1, release, release, release. Fire. Stand by, shut down.
Humans in space are simply human. It's just a joyous, universal experience. That is the human heart of it. That is amazing.
We're just at the very beginning. We can only imagine where we might be in 100 years from now.